Hello everybody, and welcome to How to Become a Vegan Chef. This is our very first video. We've had a lot of requests for some of the different food that we've showed on Instagram and our Facebook, but we don't always have the ingredients, some of the most liked photos and most requests. But we'll get to those, we promise. But what we do have, potatoes. Everybody loves potatoes. And today we're going to show one of our favorite things to eat in the morning, hash browns. You're thinking hash browns, you just buy the bag or whatever and just make the hash browns in the frying pan and no big deal. And it's true, you can make hash browns lots of ways, but we make them a particular way. They always turn out good. Over the years, I like to think I've perfected them. Well, they're probably not perfect, but they are awesome, so we're just going to show you our way. So we hope you enjoy our very first video. Okay, so welcome to step 3, the food processor. Okay, so we don't want to waste any, so I always scrape the sides a little bit. Okay, and then you want to be careful, of course, with your food processor blade. Again, I'll just leave that aside. But you see, there we have beautifully shredded hash browns, just enough for 2. Just take a handful at a time and squeeze. And just squeeze. Okay, so just to give you an idea, here's the beautiful shredded, rinsed, starch removed hash browns. So that's what we're looking for. Again, just enough for 2 people, 2 larger people. Okay, so what we want to do is just kind of move these away from the sides a little bit. And you'll see it'll actually push down quite a bit. So in the end, it'll be just awesome. And then I just give it a little bit of some pressure. But again, it's pushed off from the sides, forming a nice border there, and a little push. Okay, so a couple things we can do is we have a homemade vegan butter recipe. So we're just have the last of it down in this part. I'm just gonna throw some on little chunks. There we go. Throw chunks on. This isn't gonna make you throw chunks. Okay, you ready to try that out, Lisa?
Oh, I'm always ready.
Let's see what you think. I think Lisa's speechless.
I want it all. See, even half isn't enough. I think for my anniversary, I want the whole pan.
Okay, I'm gonna get you that. Okay, folks. Well, that's it for our very first episode of How to Become a Vegan Chef. I think Lisa approves.
Oh, it's Lisa approved.
And if you haven't done so, please hit that subscribe button and smash that notification bell so you don't miss a single episode. Thank you, and leave your comments. Tell us what you think.